Hi, welcome back to Odin School's YouTube channel. In this series, we bring you practical tips on how to crack tech roles in top companies. Today, we are diving into the data analyst role at Teamware Solutions, a position where data meets decision making and your insights can shape the business strategy. So, who exactly are they? Teamware Solutions is a global staffing and innovation partner that connects skilled professionals with leading enterprises. Their work spans across tech, finance, healthcare, and more. And at the core of it all is the data. If you are someone who wants to grow in a data driven environment, this might be your launchpad. Alright, let's quickly break down the role. Teamware Solutions is hiring for the data analyst position. The role is based in Bangalore, comes with a solid CTC of up to 7 lakhs per annum, and is open to professionals with around 2 to 3 years of relevant experience. It's a full time opportunity and it's ideal for someone who's ready to move beyond basic reporting and step into real business impacting analytics. So, if you are looking to level up your data game, this is a great place to do it. They are looking for someone who knows SQL and Excel and can work with tools like Power BI. If you have got experience with Python or R, that's a big plus. You should be good at cleaning data, spotting patterns, and most importantly, explaining your insights clearly. So basically, they want someone who gets the data and can make it talk. So, your day might start with digging into large data sets, trying to spot patterns, trends, or anything unusual. Then comes the fun part, cleaning up that messing raw data, preparing it, and making sure it's accurate and ready to report. You'll also be building predictive models, pulling out insights that actually help the business make smarter decisions. And once you have got those insights, you will turn them into clean, easy to understand dashboards that other teams can actually use. So basically, you will be turning raw noise into real knowledge. And also, one of our Odin grad cracked a data analyst role at One Analytics recently. And you might also have an opportunity like that if you are one of the Odin grads. And coming to the role, here's why this isn't just another data job. So at Teamware, you get global project exposure, a clear path for ownership and growth, a vibrant cross-functional team, and real responsibility in business critical analytics. All that backed up with a competitive CTC of up to 7 lakhs per annum. All right, let's talk about strategy. Here are 5 tips to make your application stand out. Here's tip number 1, master SQL. It's the bread and butter of every data analyst. SQL is non negotiable, it's the language of data. So here's what you can do. Pick a free SQL course, then practice by querying public datasets on platforms like Kaggle. Also, practice top 50 SQL queries on LeetCode. My suggestion would be to join the Odin School's Data Science Elite program so that you will have exposure to every skill and technology on the same plate. And it is India's only data science course backed by top tech companies like Swiggy, Prolifix, Nuvo Retail, Foreseer, and Intellimark AI. So you should aim to get comfortable with joins, subqueries, window functions, and the stuff that actually gets used. Coming to tip number 2, focus on business insights, not just data points. Anyone can pull numbers, but analysts who stand out are the ones who ask, why does this matter? Take any data set sales, like marketing, even Netflix data, and practice drawing conclusions. What should our business do based on your findings? That's the mindset. So, coming to tip number 3, get hands on with the dashboards. Think Power BI. So, don't just watch tutorials, build dashboards. Use tools like Power BI and pick a data set. Since the test season is going on, maybe India versus England stats may work, or even sales data could work. So, pick them and tell a story visually. Upload your dashboards on LinkedIn or your portfolio to show what you can do. Here comes the tip number 4. Practice cleaning messy real world data. Real data is never clean, it's always messy. So, to make it right, you should clean the data. Now, unclean data is messy, some information is missing, some entries are repeated, and the formatting is all over the place. Like having phone numbers written in five different ways. Super confusing, right? So, clean data is neat, correct, and ready to use. There are no spelling mistakes, no missing values, and everything is in the same format. Imagine opening a spreadsheet and everything just makes sense. That's the clean data. So practice handling nulls, duplicates, and weird formatting. Download dirty datasets from free resources like survey data or scrapped CSVs and clean them using Python and Pandas. The goal? Turn chaos into clarity. Here's the most important tip number 5, show how your work connects to business impact. Don't just say I built a model, explain why it mattered. Was it faster? Did it save time? Did it improve accuracy? Even in personal projects, define a problem, solve it, and write a short case study including your thinking, constraints, and outcomes. That's what makes you stand out. If you are ready to turn raw data into real strategy, the data analyst role at Teamware Solutions could be the next leap in your career. And as always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe because your dream role could just be one scroll away. Thank you.